Plants are our allies. Since the dawn of human time, we have relied on them for almost everything: food, medicine, wood for building shelters, fibers for making clothing, and a wide range of other domestic necessities. They also serve as memorials, placed or grown on the graves of our loved ones. Plants fascinate and enchant us with their beauty and fragrance. We enjoy them so much that we give them as gifts. The enthusiastic Victorians created an interpretation of plant meanings with a language of flowers. As children, many of us delighted in the charming drawings of English illustrator Cicely Mary Barker, 1895 to 1973, that showed flower fairies playing amongst an endless array of beautiful plants. But all was not bucolic splendor. In childhood, we also learned that some plants and fungi have a dangerous side and can be put to sinister use. We don't know the ingredients of the recipe called Sleeping Death that the evil queen used to poison Snow White, but the delivery device was a shiny red apple. In Barbar the Elephant, the pachyderm king died after eating a poisonous mushroom. And in The Wizard of Oz, as Dorothy and her friends walked through a poppy field, the dangerous effects of the flowers made her, and Toto too, fall asleep. And then there's Alice, who fell down a rabbit hole and encountered a hookah-smoking caterpillar that suggested she partake of a mushroom on her rather psychedelic trip through Wonderland. Even before we could read these stories for ourselves, we learned to associate poisonous plants with the inviting and curious realm of the fairy tale, which increased their potential to fascinate us. But there's more to it than childhood stories. From penny dreadful novels, murder mysteries, and true crime television programs to the popularity of Halloween, we seem to have a penchant for ghoulishness. And though we may fear it, we also have a fascination with the mystery of death. Poisonous plants and fatal fungi fit into and feed this dark enchantment like a Gothic charm. Some of them have a sinister beauty that piques the imagination and makes us wonder how something so alluring could be so dangerous. Sometimes we delight in the things that scare us, and sometimes we are fascinated by the things that horrify us. We like getting scared. In fact, we are hardwired for it.